There we have the vent in the background there. It was just doing the end rigs before it came onto this part of the field. So it's quite a while since I spoke to Chris or seen Chris that's on maize drilling today. Well, the two tractors in together. Got the hills in the background there. Could probably get all three tractors in if I'm really clever. Quite a distance away, but they're all in, that's for sure. So I'm not sure if Chris is actually doing the end rig at the moment. A few seagulls getting fed anyway. So just a pity that I missed the JCB 4220, I think it was, ploughing. It just came back into the farm there as I left Samstown there. I might try the drone, it's fairly handy for the gate here. Get them all together, just a few minutes. And I'm here anyway.